X.
Now the lecture number 12. In this, the topic is evaluation of the integrals by parts. Previously we have discussed that methods are three types in integration in your as per your content. One is substitution, second one is decomposition, third one is by parts. Okay. Substitution, there are different forms. Decomposition, there is simple partial fractions. The given integrand, you have to partial fraction lo marchi integrate chestam. By parts, ippudu manam chudavotunnam. Okay? By parts అనగానే మనకు దాంట్లో మీనింగ్ అర్థమవుతుంది. ఏంటంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఇంటిగ్రాండ్ టూ పార్ట్స్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యూ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. Integrate x into e to the power of x. Actually, x integration is there, e to the power of x integration there. But rendu product lo unnappudu we don't have a standard integral. So ikkada x into cos x is a algebraical function, cos x is a trigonometric function. E power is a exponential function. X is again algebraical function, sin x is a trigonometric function. Like that, we have a different kind of functions of all together within product. Okay, so this can be deal very simple formula, that is integration of u into dv is equal to uv minus integration dv into du. This is the formula. In this, u is the first part and dv is the second part. So by these parts we can easily integrate by this method. Okay, so these are the two parts which are given into the in terms of product. Take one example, first one. So what is the given? Integration of x into e to the power of x into dx. Now there is a question by looking at this, which is called the first part and which is called the second part. Don't think about which is dx along with e to the power of x as a dv and this as a u. So there is a rule for assuming the first part. What is the first part? Assuming rule is u is the first part. If you consider it is a first part. Okay. For assuming the first part in this, you have to check the ilet order. Ilet means I means inverse, L means logarithm, A means algebra, T means trigonometry, E means exponential. Check this order and which order is comes to the first in this presence of the two functions. You take that one as a u. Now you check, I inverse is there? No. Logarithm is there? No. Algebra is there? Yes, x is called algebra. So that means u is equal to what here? X. So whatever the remaining, that remaining part is called the second part. Okay, so that means dv is equal to what now? E to the power of x into dx. Okay, this is the way we can. Now you write down this formula and apply this. U means what? X. V means what? V means what? V is nothing but integration of dv. That means integrate the both sides. Here, integration of dv is equal to integration of e to the power of x into dx. Integration of x is x. 1 into integration of x into x. Atlage integration of 1 into dv is v. Integration of e to the power of x into dx, that is the standard formula, that is e to the power of x. So here v means what? E to the power of x minus integration v means again e to the power of x into du. Du means here differentiation of u. Here u means x. Differentiation of this one means du. Okay, so du is equal to ante x ni differentiation with respect to x cheste du differentiation du by dx వస్తుంది. X differentiation 1 అవుతుంది. సో ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు? du by dx is equal to 1 అని వస్తుంది. సో du is equal to dx అని వస్తుంది. I will explain once again here clearly. Here u is a u is a x. Okay, here you just differentiate this one. What will be happen with respect to x? Du by dx will get yes or no? X differentiation is a 1. Cross multiply, du is equal to dx. So that means du can write now as dx. Now x into e to the power of x minus e power x into dx is again e power x plus. This is the integral of the given integral. So once again I wanted to explain. Here all the integrands consist the two parts. That is first part and second part. How to opt to the first part by ideating, and how to opt to the second part, the remaining part of the first. Okay, that is called dv. So first part ni differentiate cheyali, second part ni integrate cheyali. First part ni differentiate cheste you will get the du value. Second part ni integrate cheste meeku v value vastadi. So v value, du value, u value, dv values ante all parts ni తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఇది వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ e to the power of x ఏమవుతుంది? డైరెక్ట్ గా e to the power of x ప్లస్ c అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తాం బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ది indefinite integrations. So for that I wanted to explain one more problem. So second one, we take the second one. What is the given? Integration of x into cos x into dx. Now you compare with integration u into dv. So in this, what is the formula? U into v minus integration v into du. Now take the values. What is the u? U means first function. First function ela తీసుకోవాలి? ఐలేట్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఏముండాలి ఇక్కడ? ఇన్వర్స్ ఉందా ఈ రెండులో? x is a algebraical function, cos x is a trigonometric function. సో లాగరిథమ్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఉంది. ఓకే, u is equal to మళ్ళీ ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు? x వచ్చింది. సో u is equal to x వచ్చింది. ఓకే, then what about the remaining, the second part? This is first part. Okay, now the second part ఏంటి? సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఏంటి? ఇదంతా కూడా మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి రాస్తున్నాను. నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్, సెకండ్ పార్ట్ అంతా రాయడం అవసరం లేదు. u is equal to x by ilet we can write. Now what is the second part? ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ కాకుండా మిగిలినది అంతా కూడా సెకండ్ పార్ట్, అంటే ఇదంతా కూడా dv కింద రాయాలి. సో by comparing these two, this is, it's become the first as a u, as a x, the remaining part is a dv. So remaining part ఏంటిది? dv అంటే cos x into dx. Now u ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి. సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో ఎందుకు అంటే బై సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, సో u differentiation is du by dx is equal to 1. So du is equal to dx. Here integration of dv is equal to integration of cos x into dx. Integration of dv is v. Integration of cos x is sin x. Now you substitute these values into this formula. So therefore integration of x into cos x into dx is equal to u and x. Okay, v and sin x. Okay, minus integration, what is the v? Sin x into du and delta dx. So dx. So x into sin x minus sin x integration enta standard form lo undi manaku enti minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x. So this is the integral of the given integral. Thank you.